What's going on, Busy Buddies? This is Eric, the CEO and co-founder of Bizzy. Today, we are talking about creating events and going through that process. So let's do it. Okay, so there's different ways to create events. Right off the bat here on the homepage dashboard, you can create a create event by clicking that button. You'll see it pop up here. If you go here to the navigation, you can click on that button and that will pop up there. You can also go into the calendar page, click over here, create event, another way. And my favorite way is by clicking directly on this month view. So let's just say you're creating an event March 14th. There it is, March 14th. And if you go into buddies, you can also create an event by going into your buddy's profile. So you see buddy's profile. This little button right here will only appear if you are already buddies with this person. So I'm already buddies with Mia. If I click on it, boom, it automatically adds Mia to the event. So that's pretty cool. If you are not buddies with the person, let's just say you click on Frank, see, no button. So you actually can't invite people unless they're your buddy, which is a security thing, privacy thing. You don't want randos sending you event invites. So yeah, that's something to know. You must be friends with them. If they're not on Bizzy, if you haven't already become friends with them, go ahead and invite them through the link or through the email. And then once you guys are friends, then you can invite them to the events. Another way you can create an event is this is the planning page. You can go up here and maybe you're chatting with someone and all of a sudden you get an idea for another event, or you're like, oh, let me just create something. Sure, you can create it up here, but you can also create it right here, create event, so in this page. And yeah, that covers all the different ways to make an event. Now let's actually go through the process of creating one. So let's go ahead and call this workout, and let's add a little emoji. Why not? Little lion, rawr. And we can see here that you can add a cover photo. So let's see what that looks like. If we go in, add a little workout image. Okay, we can resize it, zoom in, crop it. We're going to keep that. And let's do Monday. So we'll do Monday. And if you wanted to, let's just say this is like a vacation or something that lasts multiple days, you would click on the day it starts and then switch over to the day it ends and do that. So that's how you do multi-day events. But let's just switch to single day. Okay, so it's single day. And how early do we want to go work out? Let's do 6:15 in the morning, and it'll end 7:15, so an hour. And let's just see this. Let's do Crunch Fitness. You see the little map that pops up here. So you can add a little location. As you can see in the notes, what you can do is you can say, if you want, you don't need to put notes, but I'm just going to put leg day. And, yeah, sure, why not? We're excited. Also here, you'll see the calendar, so you can select calendar. By default, it goes to your personal calendar, which is private. It's a private calendar. And what this means is if you create an event on this calendar, random people cannot see any of this information. If you are buddies with people, like if you started making buddies, you have 10 buddies, they will only be able to see the time that you blocked off, and it'll show up as busy. They won't be able to see that you're working out. They won't be able to see where. It's just a privacy thing. So something to think about whenever you're creating an event. You can create circles or create community calendars, create shared calendars, and then you can change where you're putting the event. But if it's on your private one, the only way people can see the event details is if you invite them. So let's go ahead and invite Mia. So we invited her there. And yeah, it looks good. So let's go ahead and create. And let's go to this. All right, so the calendar page, you can see it. And yeah, that's how you create an event.